Hello 8th grade students, today we are going to continue our learning section on the topic of uniformly accelerated motion in a straight line, and especially through the video we will learn about vertical motion or UAMSL due to gravity. The basic competence of this lesson is to analyze a straight line motion, the effect of force on motion based on Newton's laws, and its application to the motion of the objects and living things. What is vertical motion? Vertical motion is the part of uniformly motion in a straight line or UAMSL with an acceleration equal to the acceleration of gravity or A equal to G. There are three types of vertical motion. 1 is free fall, 2 downward motion, and 3 upward motion. But in this section, we are going to learn about free fall and upward motion. Free fall. Free fall is a uniformly accelerated motion in a straight line, of which path is vertically downward in a straight line. In free fall, an object moves without initial speed or v0 equal to 0. The object will be accelerated due to Earth gravity. The formula used to calculate the free fall is the same as the formula of UAMSL, but the acceleration A is substituted by G and the distance traveled D is substituted by height or h. Therefore, the formula becomes Vt equals to Vo plus Gt. Because Vo equals to 0, so Vt equals to G times T. And to find the height of the object is D equals to H equal to Vo times T plus a half times G times T square. Because Vo equals to 0, so H equal to a half times G times T square. And the other formula how to find the final speed is Vt square equals to Vo square plus 2 times G times H. Because Vo equals to 0, so Vt square equals to 2 times G times H. For note, Vo is initial speed or velocity, the unit is meter per second. Vt is final speed or velocity, the unit is meter per second. T is duration of time, the unit is second. G is the acceleration of gravity, the unit is meter per second square. And h is the height of the object and the unit is meter. Problem 1. An object falls from the top of building. In 6 seconds, the object hit the ground. Calculate A. The speed of the object hit the ground. B. The height of the building. Given V0 equals to 0 meter per second, G Earth is 10 meter per second square, and T equals to 6 seconds. Ask A. Vt, B. H. Answer A. Vt equals to G times T equals to 10 meter per second square times 6 seconds, and the answer is 60 meter per second. B. H equal to a half times G times T square equals to a half times 10 meter per second square times 36 seconds square, so the answer is 180 meter. Problem 2. An object falls from the height of 20 meters without initial speed. Calculate the time and speed of the object when they reach the ground. Solution. Given h equal to 20 meter, g equal to 10 meter per second square, and ask A, T, and B, Vt. Answer. To find the time, we use the formula of the height of the object. So h equal to half times g times t square. So to find t is square root of 2h over g. So t equals to square root of 2 times 20 over 10. So the answer is t equals to 2 seconds. B. Vt equals to g times t equals to 10 times 2 equals to 20 meter per second. Next, what is vertical upward motion? Vertical upward motion is a uniformly decelerated motion in a straight line. When an object is thrown vertically upward, the object is decelerated by the acceleration of the gravity. The object will rise to its maximum height, then stop for a moment and fall back to the ground.
At maximum height, the final speed or Vt equals to 0. The formula of vertical upward motion. The formula applied in vertical upward motion is the same as the formula applied in the free fall, but g is negative. Therefore, the formula becomes Vt equals to V0 plus g times t. Because Vt equals to 0 and g is negative, so Vo equals to g times t. The maximum height is d equals to h equal to Vo times t plus a half times g times t square. Because Vt equals to 0, so the maximum height is h equals to V0 times t minus a half times g times t square. For note, Vo is initial speed or velocity and the unit is meter per second. Vt is the final speed or velocity, the unit is meter per second. T is the duration of time, the unit is second. G is the acceleration of gravity, the unit is meter per second square. And h is the height of the object and the unit is m. Problem 1. A rocket for a meteorological observation was launched upward in 20 seconds. Calculate A. The initial velocity of the rocket, B. The maximum height reached by the rocket. Given Vt equals to 0 meter per second, because in the maximum height, g earth is 10 meter per second square, and t is 20 seconds. Asked A. V0 and B. H max. Answer A. V0 equals to g times t equals to 10 meter per second square times 20 seconds, so the answer is 200 meter per second. B. H equal to V0 times t minus a half times g times t square equals to 200 meter per second times 20 seconds minus a half times 10 meter per second square times 400 seconds square. So 4000 meter minus 2000 meter, so the answer is 2000 meter. Problem 2. John throws the ball straight upward and after 1 second it reaches its maximum height, then it does free fall motion which takes 2 seconds. Calculate the maximum height and the velocity of the ball before it crashes the ground with g equals to 10 meter per second square. Solution. V equals to g times t. V equals to g times t equals to 10 meter per second square times 1 second, so the answer is 10 meter per second square. At the top, our velocity is 0 and the ball does free fall. V equals to minus g times t. V equals to minus 10 meter per second square times 2 seconds equals to minus 20 meter per second. We put minus sign in front of the g because we take upward direction. Distance, a half times g times t square, so h max is a half times 10 meter per second square times 2 seconds square, so the answer is h max equals to 20 meter. Please pause the video now and do the exercise number 1 and number 2. I think that's all for me. Thank you for your attention and God bless you.